Here we have a CVT RE0F11A with P0744. When you look up that, it's a torque converter clutch circuit intermittent problem. And there's some good information here. It's telling you that the torque converter slip is at or above a set value. So it's telling you what it is. It's got to be 40 RPMs plus vehicle speed divided by 2 for more than 30 seconds. So let's say we got 40 RPMs, vehicle speed is 60 miles an hour, divided by 2 equals 70 RPM. You get a 70 RPM slip or greater, and you're going to produce this code. So you actually have good information here that you can go out and look at with a scan tool and capture the scan tool to see if you're having that 70 RPM slip or greater at the miles per hour that the code sets. Now, what you want to be careful here is that there are two different driven counter gear and drive counter gears for the input shaft. So the input shaft gear can either have 32 teeth or 31, and the primary pulley gear, it could either have 29 or 30. You can get them mixed up. And when you put that together wrong, because remember, that input shaft has a bad bearing in it, can have a bad bearing. So you might change the input shaft with another one. This is what usually happens. When the bearing is bad, you get another one and you don't count the teeth. It's only one tooth different. When you do that, you will give yourself a TCC slip problem. So be careful with your parts.
All right, all you transmission pros. And if you're still with me, excellent. And if you want some more totally awesome tech material like this, just sign up for an ATSG membership. It's like having a backstage pass to all the good stuff. And it's super easy. Just pick up the phone and call 1-800-245-7722. And until then, it's Wayne's World of Transmissions. Excellent.